As requested, here's the recipe for this vegetable garnish in my Planty jollof rice recipe. It's pretty basic, but it looks nice and tastes yummy. Here are the ingredients I use all the time. Spinach. Baby spinach is the best. Red onions. Notice how I sliced them vertically. Fresh paprika or sweet peppers. Black pepper, salt, and chicken oil. I have a video for chicken oil whose link should pop up on the screen right now. If you don't have chicken oil, use olive oil. Throw the frozen chicken oil into the pan to melt. Saute the onions and sweet peppers for 3 minutes. Add salt and black pepper. Then add the spinach and leave it to wilt for 1 minute. Stir, and that's it. I vary the quantities of ingredients all the time. Sometimes I add mushrooms. For instance, this one I served with the chickpea Moi Moi contains mushrooms. You can use it for any meal that catches your fancy. It goes well with Moi Moi, rice dishes, plantains, potatoes, boiled yam, and so on. Add it to these meals and bam! The meal goes from 0 to 100 in 1 second. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.